Today I'm here to discuss about 10 interesting and important things for women to lean in. In addition to the external barriers erected by the society, women are hindered by barriers that exist within ourselves. We hold ourselves back in many ways by lacking self confidence. The messages that say it's wrong to be outspoken, aggressive, and more powerful than men. Aggressive and hard charging women violate unwritten rules about acceptable society conduct. Our entrenched cultural ideas associate men with leadership qualities and women with nurturing qualities. Actually, puts women in a double bind. Now, let's talk about the first thing. For women, self doubt becomes a form of self defense. In order to protect ourselves from being disliked, we question our abilities and downplay our achievements, especially in the presence of others. We put ourselves down before others can. Sounds like one of the best self defense mechanisms we all often use. The second thing is fake it. When you don't feel confident, one tactic that you will have to learn is to fake it. Some days smile come naturally and some days it don't. So you have to fake it. After forcing yourself smiling, often you'll feel cheerful. So fake it until you feel it. A simple change in the posture will lead you to a significant change in attitude. Ask for help or input. Asking for input is not a sign of weakness, but often the first step to finding a path forward. You cannot have it all. Don't expect things to be perfect. It will be a little messy, but embrace the mess. It will be complicated, but rejoice in the complications. It will not be like anything like what you think it will be like, but surprises are good for you. When you want to change things, you can't please everyone. If you do please everyone, then you aren't making enough progress. Women need to shift from thinking, I'm not ready to do that, to thinking, I want to do that and I will learn by doing it. Communication works best when we combine appropriateness with authenticity, finding the sweet spot where opinions are not brutally honest but delicately honest. Speaking truth without hurting feelings comes naturally to some and is an acquired skill for others. Try to learn it. Understanding. Being aware of a problem is the first step to correct it. We can try to guess what they are thinking, but asking directly is far more effective. Do not overreact. Always find a middle ground. I know overriding our natural tendency is difficult, but give it a try. Women make one big decision to leave the workforce. Most of this decision comes from pregnancy. Do not consider your pregnancy as weakness. Never. Rather, it serves to focus and provides a firm deadline to work. Learn to withstand criticism. It is necessary for women. We should let ourselves react emotionally. Act like a children. Cry one moment and run off to play the next. We should quickly move on. Sharing emotions build deeper relationship. It also comes from working with people we care about. Emotion drive both men and women and it influences every decision we make. Be open to new challenges. Women, however, were more cautious about changing roles and seeking out new challenges. There is no perfect fit when you are looking for the next big thing to do. You have to take the opportunities and make the opportunities fit for you. In order to grow, challenge yourself and believe in your capabilities. This amazing book, Lean In, was crafted by Sheryl Sandberg, the Chief Operating Officer of Facebook. In this book, she also shares some of her experiences and quoted real time examples. This book is worth reading, especially designed for women. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do comment about the books that you felt was worth reading.